I take you to Gujarat High Court. A minor rape survivor, this young girl and her father realized that the girl was pregnant after 7 months of pregnancy. Now the father filed a plea in the court seeking medical termination of the fetus in view of the girl's age. That's where this story begins. Now the court, when the counsel pressed for medical termination of pregnancy, Justice Samir J. Dave observed that in olden times, it was normal for girls to get married by 14, 15 years of age and have a child before the age of 17. You will not read it, but you read Manusmriti once for this. He says you read Manusmriti once. A justice who I'm sure is supposed to follow the Indian Penal Code, the CRPC, says to his counsel that you read Manusmriti. Because Manusmriti, according to him, says that girls get pregnant and get children before at the age of 14, 15, 16, 17. That's what this judge says. In fact, senior advocate Sikandar Saeed, who appeared for the minor's girl's father, appealed before the court for an early hearing as the expected delivery date was August 18th. The court, however, made it clear that it may not permit termination of pregnancy if both the fetus and the girl is in good condition. The court said we will not permit pregnancy, will not permit termination of pregnancy if the fetus and the girl is in good health. You see, what I am kind of surprised is a judge sitting and talking about girls getting married at the age of 14 and 15. I'm pretty surprised with that statement. I am surprised with the statement that the judge asks Mr. Sikandar Saeed, the counsel, to refer Manusmriti. The person may read it there that girls would get pregnant and have children at the age of 17. If we could refer to Manusmriti and other books, then why do we have a Indian Penal Code CRPC? Why do we have that? We can refer to those books, no? So is it that you have two options, either refer to the CRPC or the IPC, or you refer to other religious books, especially Hindu religious books in this case, Manusmriti and others, and come to court. Is that possible? Can I argue in a court based on Manusmriti? Can I argue that? So I am very surprised. You see, this is not the first incident. The reason I am doing this report is this is not the first incident. You see, in Allahabad High Court, there was a case of a rape where the victim was raped with the promise of getting married. Nobody was getting married to her, according to her, because she was Manglik. Now, I will read out the story to you. The Supreme Court on Saturday, that is June 3rd, stayed an order of Allahabad Court which had directed that a rape victim, a rape complainant's horoscope be examined to check if she was Manglik. The woman had claimed that the man raped her on the promise of marriage and later refused to marry her because she was Manglik. The High Court, while hearing the man's bail plea, had on 23rd of May given a direction to the head of the department, astrology, Lucknow University, to verify whether this girl is Manglik. Now, you know the problem with this case? What difference does it make if the girl is Manglik or not? What difference does it make? If the girl is Manglik, does the case change? If the girl is Manglik, does the law change? If the girl is Manglik, would the decision change? Would the judgment change? So what are we talking about? How does it matter if the girl is Manglik? The worry is, where are our courts going with this? Somebody asking counsel to go and read Manusmriti. Somebody asking the head of astrology department to go check whether the victim was Manglik or not. To give a bail, to grant a bail to the rapist. I am shocked. I think we are drifting. Possibly even our courts are drifting. I hope the Chief Justice of India is hearing this. Till I see you for my next report.